Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of a tummy trimmer. I bought it for just only 189 rupees on Flipkart. It was the cheapest tummy trimmer available you can buy right now. So if you are interested in buying this, then I'll put the purchase link in my description. It's an affiliate link, so do use my link that will support this channel. Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking. Please watch this video till the end, and also don't forget to like and subscribe.
you